So, back in the olden days when there was no internet, guests used to have face-to-face communication with hotel hosts. But things have changed. Now we book hotels online, and booking websites can be boring and overwhelming. But what if you could magically transport yourself to your destination hotel and speak with a real person who could answer your questions and comfort you? Now it's possible. Introducing You Host Me. With You Host Me, you can choose from carefully hand-picked selection of hotels worldwide and communicate directly with a dedicated host from there during the shopping and booking process. You can also watch video reviews and also upload your own. Best of all, you don't need to download or install any plugins to experience You Host Me.
I would like to see my room.
This could be your room. Would you like to see the view as well?
You Host Me, humanizing your web experience.